see an educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good morning, Gromy. Today is Sunday, April the 26th. We're going to give all these kids a feed here. I got a gallon and a half of water in my little bucket. 2 tablespoons of Dr. Earth tomato, vegetable, and herb. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose. And 3 tablespoons of flour growing. This is more or less my favorite for my autos. The photo periods will get over it. I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm gonna sock it to them. YouTube got another one of my videos this morning. April the 27th of last year. Boy, they made sure they got that one before a year was up. I think the AI's done got fucking 4 of them this month on me. I don't even use my appeals to appeal anymore. When they pull one of my videos, I just use my appeal, my little 100 letters or whatever it is, to tell YouTube where to fucking go. Destroy the AI. Oh, Wednesday they'll get a tea time. Let's see, Miss Gigi tomorrow. She would be day 1 of week 5. And the little ones for the outdoors are day 1 of week 4, roughly. I ain't been keeping tabs on anything too much. I kind of wish I would have STS this damn Gigi. She's trying to jump off. I'm a true believer, a true believer in tall pots for autoflowers. True believer. Give it a go. Give it a go, Grummy. I think you will see a difference also. I'm just going to hit everything with a good feed with the Dr. Earth until I get a little bit of runoff. And with using the Dr. Earth liquid, it'll tell you once every 2 weeks. I think we got some runoff on that one. What did it say? I think about every 10 days is optimal for cannabis plants. But 10 days to 2 weeks. I'm going to get these girls all watered up here, and we'll jump into the grow room. Boy, I wish damn calves. Hold on, I'll give you a look-see here real quick. Let me get you up off there. Well, shucky darn. I should have picked a couple of them up and let you get a look-see of them under the skirt there before I just chunked in that liquid to them. But I got one of Cas Peridiforms back there, looking lovely. I just need to find out if it's a male or a female. This is Dragons over here. This one will be going to a boy down the road. She looks like she wants to be, she wants to be a beanpole. She want to be a big cola, straight cola girl. And this is Mystery Man, one of Mystery Man's blueberries. Which will actually probably be going somewhere down the road also. And it's really nice. Really nice. Stacked really nice. But the one I got in my AC Infinity 2x2 looks a lot better. And I will be using that one. We might find a couple stashed around the place here and there. But my main 4 is going to be one of Cavs, hopefully. This is one of Mystery Man's best ones. Dragon's best one and Miss K's best one, whether it be the Blanket 2.0 or the Rock Melon Haze. It's going to be one of them. I got to have something of K's to spank. You know that. But yeah, Miss Gigi's looking great. I picked up the damn light last night and got it to a 300 par. And it's already stretched. I'm bumping. I don't know if you can see that. I'm banging right around 400. 375, 380, roundaboutish. I'll pick it up some more today. I'm gonna keep picking it up. I'm just gonna let her ride. I'll just open her up when I get these other plants out of here. I ain't got room to train this plant out, other than just clip it out like I did the Miss AG and the 3x3. But anyways, I'll be back in a flash. I'm gonna water these bitches up and we're gonna go into the grow room. Okay. Here we are in the AC Infinity 2x2. Oh, and they are hungry and thirsty because I let everybody dry back yesterday. This is Dragons. He's definitely going in the 15-gallon pot. I mean, I like some sexy legs, boy. I can stretch her out good in that 15-gallon pot. We're gonna run that bitch out. Another one of Cass, Purity Forms. Miss K's Blanket 2.0. We got Mystery Man's Blueberry back there in the back. And it's got some nice, really nice structure going on with that one. That's definitely getting scrubbed out. And then we got K's Rock Melon Haze. I'll probably hit her with another round of Cal Mag sometime this week. I might throw it in with her tea time. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, she's doing okay. She'll be fine. I gotta up pop these things, man. It's only like the high for the day is 54 degrees, man. You know, I really don't want to put nothing out until I at least got above 55-degree nighttime temps. But I ain't gonna dick around with calves no more either. I'm just gonna up pop both of his into 10-gallon pots and roll with it. If I gotta whack one, I'll whack one. I can always reuse the soil. No worries, no hurries. Other than to hurry up and get these out of these little dinky ass little pots. Poor little things trying hard in these little dinky ass pots. Alright, I'm gonna sock it to these kids here and we'll jump on over into the 3x3. I'm already 8 minutes into this video. I know y'all's attention spans are not very long. ADHD out the ass. I'll be back in a flash. Okay. Oh my goodness. She's just so sexy, man. Gotta get my ladies in here. Maurice! Uh-oh. I don't hit a button. Shut my damn tablet off. Now I'm gonna have to in-shot this bitch. Oh, she is thirsty. Drooping bad. I'll let her dry out. I've gotten carried away with the water. See them gnats back there? I don't ever get no damn gnats in my tents. I don't always practice what I preach. You know, I've been chunking 1.5 liters at this thing every day for quite a while. I'll let her dry back real good. Get them damn gnats on their hand. From my experience, the only thing that's going to give you a gnat issue is too much sugar or overwatering. And in my case, I know it's not too much sugar because I don't do that. I only give a half a teaspoon in my tea times. So it's from overwatering. So, I'll dry her back. Let me get her dealt with here. Water it up and bring you back and we'll close her out. Oh, we can't forget Lola. Oh, them fucking redheads. They're gonna be the death of me one of these days. Alright. We got everybody juiced up. Everybody's got runoff. Uh, the lion ass Chinese 1 gallon pots all got 500 mils. Them little dinky pots got 300 mils. And she's got 150 mils. By the time I get this video uploaded and play around for a little bit, I'll come back and they ought to have enough time to butt chug and balance out. And if there's anything left in the catch pans, I'll dump it out and clean it out. Rained all night last night, thunderstorms, rained like hell. Haven't been outside yet. Ain't nothing much to do besides water them kids that are in my little fenced in area. And I wrecked them all. See y'all, old man here. Reckon I'll see y'all Wednesday. Unless I'm fucking with shorts. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, my friend. Have a fantastic fucking day. I'm out of here. Appreciate you muchly. Peace.